Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two innovative washing machines designed for small spaces. On one side, we have the Ereves Portable 2-in-1 Twin Tub Washing Machine, a semi-automatic powerhouse with a 22 pounds washing capacity. On the other side, we have the SRVVTO Portable Small Washing Machine, a foldable and ultralight option perfect for quick washes on the go. Join us as we explore their features, pros, and cons, and help you find the right fit for your laundry needs. The Ereves Twin Tub features a larger design with a semi-automatic operation, making it suitable for handling larger loads. However, its weight of nearly 40 pounds can make it cumbersome to move. In contrast, the SRVVTO Mini Washer is designed for ultimate portability, folding down to just 4.5 inches high and weighing only 2.65 pounds, making it ideal for travel and small living spaces. When it comes to capacity, the Ereves Twin Tub stands out with its 22 pounds washing capacity, allowing you to wash larger items like bedding and jeans. On the other hand, the SRVVTO Mini Washer has a smaller 13-liter capacity, making it more suitable for delicate items like baby clothes and underwear, but not practical for larger garments. The Ereves Twin Tub requires manual intervention for transferring clothes between the wash and spin tubs, providing users with more control over the washing process. In contrast, the SRVVTO Mini Washer is fully automatic, simplifying the washing process with touch controls, making it easier for users who prefer a hands-off approach. In conclusion, the choice between the Ereves Portable 2-in-1 Twin Tub and the SRVVTO Portable Small Washing Machine ultimately depends on your laundry needs. If you require a high-capacity washer for regular use, the Ereves is your best bet. However, if you need something lightweight and portable for occasional use, the SRVVTO Mini Washer is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.